Yeah, what to do? This boy being back for another video. Today I will show you how to fix update error. The first thing, you make sure you have enough storage in your iPhone. That if you don't have any enough storage in iPhone, you cannot update your iPhone and show the update error message. The first thing, go to setting. From setting, go to general. From general, you see the iPhone storage in the under CarPlay. In an iPhone storage, and wait for a second. You need to make sure you have at least 10 gigabyte. That will be okay. If not, you need to delete all your stuff. And you see, if you don't have enough, you need to delete in your apps. Like I have shared, I have like 43 gigabyte is yours. And you see, let's delete some or so something. Delete the app. It make a lot of stuff. You have 1 giga, and you see. And after that, you can able to update your device. This video for today, I hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.